Welcome to TechLeapar channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to insert online images on Microsoft Word. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Word. After that, open up any blank document. Now from here just click on Insert tab, and here on the illustrations option you can find pictures. Then just click on pictures. Here you can find three options: this device, stock images, online pictures. If I select online pictures, make sure that your Wi-Fi is turned on, and that's it. Now here you can find so many categories: aeroplane, animal, and you can choose any category as you like. Also, if you want to find more category, just put the cursor on the search bar and then search anything. If I search for science and then press enter, that's it. Then you can find some science category picture. If you want to insert this picture, just select it and then click on insert, and that's it. You can see the picture has been inserted successfully. And that is how you can insert online pictures on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.